Hello students, today's topic is creative process. In the creative process, we have to analyze the type of business or the type of product in various ways, and then only we can move on to produce that particular product in reality. So in this creative process, first of all, there is a sequence, means you have to write all the point one by one. These cannot be jumbled because it is a process. Wherever you have seen that it is a process in that particular topic, you have to write it sequentially. So in this process, the first point is idea germination. Idea germination here means that we have to assess our product and take care of it like a seed. Suppose we want to plant a seed, then we have to give it proper water, proper fertilizer, temperature, sunlight, everything is required. So it is a idea germination stage is a seeding stage. The care which we give to a seed, we have to give to our business idea. Then next stage is preparation. In the preparation stage, we have to rely on our previous data, that is of the seeding stage, like the business idea which we have developed, whether we have interest on it or not, what is our curiosity level, if we are so keen to develop such a business, so we can move further ahead. So it totally depends on preparing the next stage with the particular idea, interest and curiosity. So you can underline these keywords in your textbook also. So first of all, the idea germination, where seeding stage is there. It is the primary stage where we have to think about our business, whatever we have chosen. Then we have to move on arranging resources for the business. And then third point is incubation. Incubation word is taken from incubator. Incubator is a machine, electronic machine, where small babies are kept in hospitals. So similar to this, we have to take care of our business. So it is a thinking and implementation stage, where we have to think about business, that we have planted the seed, we have arranged the resources, now we are thinking about its implementation. Next point is illumination. Illumination totally focus on the viability of plan. Viability, or we can say feasibility of plan. If we start that particular business, is it feasible? And feasibility, you know, that can be tested in three ways, like technical feasibility, whether the technology is available or not; financial feasibility, the finance for such project will be arranged or not; and economic feasibility, whether we will get profit or not. So overall feasibility test is taken at illumination stage. Then next stage is verification stage. Verification here means validation and testing. We have to test it, or we can try run it in the beginning. It depends on the nature and size and scale of the business, that how the testing can be done, but we can test it. If it passes in the testing stage, then only we can validate it and move on to the next stage, that is innovation. In the innovation stage, we have to translate the product which have a commercial value, means which can be easily sold in the market. Everything which is produced cannot be sold in the market. So we have to think about that, that whether we can able to sell it in the market. Like you can take example of water. Before 30 to 40 years back, we cannot imagine that water can be sold in bottles, drinking water. Nowadays oxygen is very rare, you can see. That is unimaginable that scarcity of oxygen is there. So whatever we think, we must have to create or innovate it in such a way that it can be easily sold and must have a commercial value, then only it will be called a business. If it doesn't have a commercial value, we cannot call it a business because nobody is going to. So thank you, students.